Oh my god, I look so weird on camera. Hello, it's Maddie and welcome to Halloween week. What? Hi, it's Maddie and welcome to my channel. It is Halloween week. I haven't done a video like this in forever. I've been really bad with uploading my videos this whole year, but I thought, why not come back with a bang? I have two costume ideas for this year. In this video we're doing Poison Ivy, very exciting. I've had ginger / auburn hair all year and I was like, I need to take advantage of this because I'm probably going to go back to blonde at some point. So this Halloween I need to do costumes with reddish hair.
I'm poison.
So I dyed my hair even darker. It was meant to come out really bright orange, but it came out more red. But you can see the orangey tones in there because I didn't dye it very well. But I used Bleach London Tangerine Dream, and it came out so pigmented, guys. So I kind of took the idea for the makeup from a few people that I'd seen online, like Abby Roberts on TikTok, and I kind of made it my own. And I'll show you how that be. I'm really excited. Let's start with just the basic foundation and all that sort of stuff. There's a mirror down here, so if you see me looking there, that is why. I'm going to be wearing this costume for the Saturday 30th of October to go to a rave at Printworks in London. I'm so excited. It's a Halloween day rave, D&B of course. I'm so excited for it, I can't explain. Okay, foundation is done. I'm gonna do the brows first. So I'm just gonna brush them out and do them kind of like how I usually do my eyebrows. Large and in charge. So I'm using this Barry M False Alarm eyeliner. Excuse the nails. Oh, I kind of like that. That's kind of cool. I kind of rate that. There's the eyebrows, pretty easy. What would be nice is to go through them with some like clear gel. I do not have that. I only have brown gel. But yeah, I would recommend that. I don't know how it would look with like brown over it. Oh, okay. Yeah, I kind of like that. So I'm just going over it with my brown gel. Okay. Yeah, I like that. I'm going to call for my mom. Hey, hello.
Hi, Chubbs.
Hi, Mom.
You're right. It's a little bit Australian, that.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye. Now it's time to do the most important part, which is the eyes. Still using this bad boy. I have had this for years and years and years. It's probably not good for my skin anymore, but I don't care because I am ridiculous. I have all these beautiful colors and I think I'm going to go for this kind of green. I like to do both eyes at the same time. So that is the lighter green, and now I'm going to go in for a darker green. This one's quite good. Just kind of on the inside of that green that you just did. So it'll kind of look like this. In the middle I want to go for like a really pale green. Even add like a pale yellow to it as well to give it a bit more pop. I have this Unicorn Hearts Rainbow Highlight Palette. It's a good green shimmer. And sort of tap that into the middle. And I love to do this with most of my makeup looks because it gives it a real shine, which I really like. Look into my eyes, not on my tits. Big tip for you all. These are your best friends. You can just scoop up all of the residue makeup that falls down. But yeah, they're really handy, especially when using wet liners, which we are about to do. I'm obsessed with Glisten Cosmetics. I have green split peas here, got the paintbrush here. This is a really thin tip one. So I'm gonna be using this green to do the big wing. Something like this, something really, really big. Oh, by the way guys, look what I'm using for water. It's a bottle cap. So lazy I can be asked to go get a shot glass from the kitchen. So I've got the black and whites, but like, I know it's a bit of a mess. That's what I'm saying, they've been used too much. And I need some more really. So now the black eyeliner needs to go underneath. So yeah, that's that so far. Then I'm going to take my glitter palette. Look how cute this is. I'm thinking this gold. And I'm just going to pat that into the middle of my eye. And then I'm going to take the green in this again, put that in inner corners too. And also I'm going to put this on my brow bone. And then I'm going to add the green around the face. Again, I'm going to be taking similar colours to what I used on my eyes. So I'm just going to be using that as my contour. You can't even see it because my French cool. So weird using green as a contour. And then in the middle, I'm going to go for some pink rosiness. I have this contour and cheeks palette from Smashbox. I like to go for the guava and the rosy. I also thought about drawing some ivy on my cheeks, but I'm so scared it's gonna go wrong. Should I give it a go? So I drew on some ivy situation. It's not the best, but it kind of like adds to the contour. Under my nose. I always do onto the boat of my lips. And my chin. I'm gonna use the eyeliner that I used earlier. Just outline them. Now I'm gonna fill them in with this Soap & Glory Sexy Mother Pucker lipstick. By the way, this lipstick smells so good, guys. Ridiculous. I wanna eat it. Looking good, looking good. This is the look so far. I'm actually loving it. Oh my god, I'm actually really loving it. Now we're gonna add the eyelashes. These are the magnetic eyelashes I use. I actually lost a pair of them. There's like some smaller ones, some really long ones, and then these were like the medium ones, which were my favorites, and now they're gone. But I'm gonna be using the smaller ones, but I wish I had green ones, just disclaimer there. So yeah, use this to stick on the eyelashes. It's like this black magnetic liquid. Ridiculously easy. Like, how, that was so fast, man. Makeup look is done. I love it, guys. I actually really, really like it. Oh, I love it. Now let's do the costume. I'm pretty underdressed right now. First thing first with the costume, I got a cheap green lacy bodysuit, and this one is really cute because it has like petal details, so it really does look like a Poison Ivy kind of suit. Like, see this detail? It's so pretty. Very Poison Ivy. And then I just bought a hell of a lot of this. Fake Ivy. And I'm just gonna wrap myself in this and hope for the best. I haven't even tried it out yet. I think I'm gonna wrap it around my arm. This is my Poison Ivy costume. I love it. Sorry that the outfit isn't fully put together, but I need to find a way to clip them all, which I will on the day. It's just right now there's really no point, and I have to have therapy in like 20 minutes, so I kind of need to take this all off in case I look like an absolute crazy human being, which I already am. That's why I have therapy. Okay, so it's the day of the Printworks rave, and thank you to Angelina, my beautiful housemate. Angelina helped me work out how to do the vines. She gave me one of her beautiful garters, and then I wrapped one leg, and I've got one arm wrapped, and then I've got loads of vines wrapped all around. And also, because I'm going in public, I was like, I actually don't know if I want my arse crack on show, so I wore some small shorts. I'm gonna freeze to death, and I can't wait. La, 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 la. Amazing. I'm very happy with it. I'm not wearing the eyelashes out though. I wish, but they will probably just annoy me and I'll take them off. At a rave, you know, you get sweaty. This is the costume. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. I had a problem with my SD card reader, so these videos are coming later than I anticipated. Shock. But I was actually really trying to be on time, so yeah. Anyway, bye. Have a good Halloween. Oh, I hope you had a good Halloween.
Pamela? You look great.
The Animal Planet toxins had a rather unique effect on me. They replaced my blood with aloe, my skin with chlorophyll, and filled my lips with venom.